Hello and welcome to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an online course with the help of Thinkific platform. So watch this video till the end because it is a complete step-by-step Thinkific tutorial that will help you to create an online course with Thinkific platform. And by the way, if you want to try Thinkific platform absolutely free for next 30 days, then you can click on the special link given in the video description. When you will click on the special link given in the video description, then you will see a special landing page just like this one. And from here, as you can see, you can just enter your email address and you can start your 30-day free trial of Thinkific platform. So if you want to follow along, then I will highly recommend you to activate 30 days free trial. It is an extended trial just for my audience. So it is very easy to create an online course with the help of Thinkific platform. For this, all you need to do is just click on this product option. From here, you just need to click on courses option. When you will click on it, then it will open a new window just like this. From here, you just need to click on this plus new course button. When you will click on it, then it will show you some AI powered features in the next page. Like if you want to create entire course outline with the help of Thinkific platform, then you can use its AI feature. For this, you just need to describe who your audience are and what they are going to learn inside your course. If you will describe it here, then it will create entire course outline for you. But I will not recommend you to use this feature because if you are creating your online course, then you know your course outline better than AI. Okay, so you can skip this and you can click on this skip button. And here, as you can see, it is very easy to create an online course with the help of Thinkific platform. For this, you can add chapters by clicking on this button, and inside chapters, you can add multiple lessons. You can add another chapter, then you can add multiple lessons inside your second chapter. Similarly, like this, you can create as many chapters and lessons as you want. Okay, so let me create a chapter, and here I want to give my chapter name like introduction. Okay, and let me click on save. And as you can see, my first chapter has created successfully. Inside this chapter, I can add multiple lessons, 1 lesson, 2 lesson, 10, 20, 100. It is totally up to me. So for example, I want to add a video lesson. So I will click on plus lesson button, and as you can see, with the help of Thinkific platform, you can add any type of lesson. Like suppose if you want to add a video lesson, then you can select video. And suppose if your lesson is just a text type lesson, then you can select text. If it is a quiz type lesson, then you can select quiz. If it is a PDF that you want to give them inside this lesson, then you can select PDF. If it is an audio type lesson, then you can select audio, download, multimedia, survey, presentation, assignment, and even live Zoom call sessions. So there are multiple type of lessons available inside Thinkific platform. So that's why I love Thinkific, because it gives you flexibility to add any type of lesson inside your course. So I'm going to select video lesson from here. So let's say I'm creating a meditation course. My course name is meditation media, and my first lesson is what is meditation media. Here I can upload my file. For this, you just need to click on this select a video file. If you have already uploaded your video file in Thinkific platform, then you can select it from here. Otherwise, you can click on browse file button and you can upload your video file by clicking here. So for demo purpose, I am randomly uploading this particular video, and let's click on upload. Okay, and as you can see, our video lesson is uploading, and here you will get multiple options. Like if you want to add some additional text just below your video, then you can add additional text using this option. Okay, and if you want to give any file access to your students in this particular chapter, that is lesson, then you can click on browse file and you can upload that particular file here, and you will get multiple lesson settings. Like if you want to make this a free preview lesson, then you can select it. It means that before purchasing your course, they can preview this lesson, they can watch this particular lesson. Okay, so if you want to make this free preview lesson, then you can enable it, and there are multiple settings here as you can see. And if you want to enable discussions inside this lesson, then you can enable it, and there are multiple options available here. So let's click on save lesson. So as you can see, our first lesson is ready. So if I want to add one more lesson, then I can click on plus add lesson, and suppose it is again a video lesson, so you can add video, select video lesson from here, and let's say my lesson name is what will you learn inside meditation media. So this is my next lesson, and I have uploaded multiple videos here. So I'm going to select a random video from here for demo purpose, and let's click on save lesson. Okay, so I have added introduction chapter with 2 lessons inside it. I want to add another chapter now. So what I will do, I will click on this plus chapter, and let's say this chapter name is module 1, basics of meditation. Okay, let's click on save, and as you can see, this was our first chapter and there are 2 lessons inside our first chapter. I have created another chapter and I am going to add one more lesson inside this chapter. So I'm going to click on plus add lesson. Let's click on video from here and let's write what is meditation. Okay, and again I'm going to add a random video file here for demo purpose, and let's click on save lesson. Okay, so I'm not going to add more lessons inside this chapter because I'm just giving you a demo of how to create an online course with the help of Thinkific platform. Okay, so it is just a demo, so I'm not going to add more lessons here. And let's go to setting, and here you can change your course name. Let's say our course name is meditation media. Instructor name is obviously it is me, Sumit Saw, and it is a private course, and I'm going to upload a course image. Let's click on upload, let's click on plus sign, and I'm going to upload this particular image as my course image. Okay, and course description is this is a meditation course. Let's write something like this, and you can select your theme, like you want dark theme or light theme. So I'm going to select light theme, and suppose my brand color is this green type color, so I'm going to select this green color so that my students will see this color when they will log into my course. Okay, and you can also select the font if you want, and there are multiple settings here. As you can see, you can pause this video and you can check it. And suppose if you want to give your student a certificate when they will complete your course, then you can enable this course completion certificate. You can enable it and you can give certificate to your student whenever they will complete your online course. And if you want to drip your course content, then here is drip option here, and there are multiple option, like if you want to create affiliate program for your own course so that your student can promote your course as an affiliate, then you can do all the settings of affiliates and all these things using this setting menu. And after doing all the changes, click on save setting, and if we will go to pricing tab, then here you can set the pricing for your course, like it is a free course or one-time payment type course or subscription type course or monthly payment type course. So if let's say it is a one-time payment course and my course price is $97, and enrollment duration, if you want to give lifetime access to this course for your student for just $97, then you can leave it blank. Otherwise, suppose if you want that whenever your student will join your course, then they will get this course access for let's say 1 year, then you can add 365 days here. Okay, so I hope you got it. And after doing all these changes, click on save setting. And by the way, I have not connected my Stripe account in this particular Thinkific account. So if you want to connect your Stripe account to, so that whenever a student will pay you, then you can receive that payment in your bank account. For that, you need to set up your payments. You can click on it, and here you can connect your Stripe account or PayPal account to receive the payment in your bank account. So it is very easy to connect your Stripe account or PayPal account. Suppose if you want to connect your Stripe account, just click on connect account button and just follow the step, and you can easily connect your Stripe account within 1 to 2 minutes. Now next, go to landing page option. So this is the best part about Thinkific platform, that if you are using Thinkific platform, then you don't need to use any other external platform like ClickFunnels, Thrivecart or Unbounce or any other landing page builder to create your sales page. Thinkific will automatically create sales page for your course automatically. As you can see here, you just need to modify the details. Yeah, suppose if you want to change this image with any other image, then you can click on edit page button. Then you can click on edit page button and you can change this image. Or suppose if you want to change this title with your course name like meditation media, then you can write it like this. If you want to bold it, then select it, and you can click on Command B from your PC to bold this particular text. I hope you remember our course name was meditation media, so it is automatically showing here. And in our course, we have added 2 chapters. In first chapter, we have added 2 lessons, and in second chapter we have added 1 lesson. So overall we have 2 chapters and 3 lessons. So it is automatically reflecting all these things here. You don't need to do anything here. And suppose if you want to highlight the main features of your course, like the important things that your student will learn inside this course, then you can add images and you can add features or highlights here. Okay, and if you want to add details of your course, then you can just click on this box and you can edit the details, you can delete it, and you can write whatever you want. Okay, in this way you can easily customize this. And let me tell you what is the best thing about this landing page is that it will automatically show the chapters and lessons to your students before purchasing the course. Okay, so whenever anyone will visit this sales page, then they can see what are the chapters and lessons are available inside your course, so you don't need to add it manually inside your sales page. Okay, and suppose if you want to add testimonials from your students who have joined and completed your course, then you can add it here. You can even add video testimonials like this, and there are lots of things. And after customizing this landing page, you can click on save. And after creating your landing page, you can again go to curriculum section. And suppose if you want to know how your course will look from a student point of view when your student will join your course, then how your course will look to your student, then you can click on preview button and you can click on this all published lesson button, and it will give you the live preview of your course. So as you can see, it is showing our course name. It is 0% completed because we have not watched any of this video. And I hope you remember that we have selected the brand color as green color. Okay, so it is showing green color here, and as you can see, overall look and feel of this course is just amazing. When your student will log in to your course, then they can click on this lesson. For example, they want to watch this particular lesson, then they can click on it, they can play it. Are you looking for today? And when they will watch this video, then they can click on complete and continue. Are you looking for today's WP lifetime? And as you can see, when they will click on complete and continue, then it will automatically redirected them to second lessons. And when they will watch this video and click on this button, then as you can see, it will show them the message that you have completed the introduction chapter. Okay, so introduction chapter has 2 lessons, and when they will watch these 2 videos, then it will show them a pop-up like this, like you have completed introduction chapter. They can click on continue, they can click on continue to go to the next chapter like this. And when they will finish the entire course, then it will show this message to your student like, congratulations, you completed meditation media course. Okay, and suppose if you have set up the course completion certificate, then they will get the certificate after completing the course. But I have not set up any course completion certificate, that's why it is not showing anything here. Okay, so as you can see, this layout is looking just amazing in my opinion. And if you are thinking how this course will look to your student when they will log into their Thinkific account after purchasing your course, then you can click on go to dashboard button. And when your student will purchase your course, then it will show their name here and it will show my courses here, and they can check the course that they have just purchased. Suppose they have purchased this particular course, then they can click on it and they can watch this video. Okay, I hope you got it. So in this way, you can create an online course with the help of Thinkific platform. So even after watching this video, if you are confused about if Thinkific platform is right for you or not, then I will highly recommend you to activate the 30 days free trial of Thinkific platform using the special link given in the video description to decide if Thinkific platform is right for you or not. When you will click on the special link given in the video description, then you will see a special landing page just like this. From here, you just need to enter your email address and you just need to click on this start your 30-day trial button to start 30 days free trial of Thinkific platform. And after creating your free trial account, you can test all the features. You can create a sample online course inside Thinkific platform and you can check everything that Thinkific offers to decide if Thinkific platform is right for you or not. Okay, so I hope now you understood how to create an online course with the help of Thinkific platform. So if you still have any confusion regarding this, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And don't forget to activate 30 days free trial of Thinkific platform using the special link given in the video description. If you found this Thinkific tutorial video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.